right? That's I'll take it there, but I think that's how I'm gonna look to trade that today, and Nvidia as well.
Tight, tight.
It might be better for me off the open. The
Yeah,
720 on the 15 looks so good.
that's what I'm gonna have too. What contracts am I playing? Either 720s or 730s on that for me.
Yes.
What would my alert be? Honestly, my alert might be yesterday's high, which is around 719.66. So I mean, it's like a regular entry on that actually, around 70 cents. The earliest I would go is 50 cents. Worried about the trend? Oh, I'm not worried about any of these trends. You know why?
Break that shit.
Break those.
Exactly. No, but it actually doesn't start thinking around.
I think I'm gonna have Meta, and then on the side, I'm gonna have AMD.
I feel like this AMD could happen.
Alright, I'm gonna have the video right here.
There goes fucking Meta.
There's that BS it does.
I'm not even mad about that, bro.
I feel like you are.
See, I hear an alert wall. Fuck going off already.
How much back would you take our entry on that?
Yeah, I was gonna say it's not going still. Like that, like the ask is back at 719, so it's actually not bad.
Yeah,
If we got broken by $1, it's a little different, but it's still pretty valid. Oh, Norada, where you at, buddy?
Noah.
Norstein.
Yes, yes.
There he is.
All right.
What do you like in here at open?
Whatever you guys like.
Nvidia's cool.
You're not interested on Meta?
No. I don't know.
Yeah, people change, George.
It's not that. It's just like fuck Meta. This
Maybe
week's
half the honey blender works, another one to switch up.
ew.
Hey, real quick, over 100% on Nvidia.
On your shares.
Yes. That was nice to see.
Huh? No.
Because it is Meta, and you are in reused areas, I still work very light, despite this being a good setup. So,
Still haven't had open, right?
yeah, the only thing I would switch Meta for is Nvidia, because I think the setup on Nvidia is a lot better.
Nice pullback, right?
All right, there goes Meta trying real quick.
It's trying, yeah.
Oh shit. I'm looking at Nvidia right now. The 192.50 calls. These are fucking cheap though, God. Yo, Nvidia. Red to green.
I'll see if I can switch that on time.
Looking at the 192.50 calls, guys. I'm in. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh shit. That thing moved way too quick there. That was scary. Alright, Nvidia pulled back.
That was 10% for me.
Yeah, if it
On my
moved
phone.
If it moves any closer to that low that I just made, I'm out. Yeah, there it goes. Good job, NVIDIA. Ruining my morning.
E is at 238.
You said what?
AMD is at 238.50.
Yeah, it's at 239 now. This is, $239.20 on AMD, by the way. AMD with a red. Oh my god. This thing's just pushing. I need a pullback. I'm not gonna trade this straight up. Beautiful. That couldn't be more perfect. Hopefully it stays down. Yeah, oh my god, that couldn't be more of a perfect weight on AMD. $4 rejection, bro. No way. That's too funny. I'm glad I avoided Meta. That looked atrocious. That's why I said I was going light on Meta if I was looking at it still. Because it's in reused areas. I'm good off Meta. I was focused on AMD waiting for a pullback, so it made me miss Meta. I'm glad I did miss it.
I think NVIDIA is the strongest in my opinion, especially if this gets up here. This held up the best. I'd play this again. Tesla's shown strength.
Oh, there goes Meta. Yeah, that's not my kind of. Those are my kind of stuff. So, despite it breaking out, I'm kind of still glad I missed out on it.
It's like a 30-minute downtrend. Tesla, or a 15-minute as well. Trend break.
Oh, we dropped $1. Guys, I'm looking at 440 calls on Tesla. If this goes red to green here, that would be nice.
Market bouncing.
Here comes the market right back to lows. Let's see what holds up here.
Tesla's holding up pretty well.
Yeah, I have that ready right now. I'm looking at the 440 calls to signal those.
You see the hourly there on Tesla?
Yeah, I saw it. Oh wow, QQQ.
I'll still say Tesla's holding up pretty well. I think once you go to 431, then that's when it kind of starts to look really weak. Yeah. That's the only thing I think on Tesla. Netflix 100% admits regularly trading this contract style. The only things that I am waiting for at this point are Tesla 4.5 and then AMD and NVIDIA if they come back up. Alright, well, NVIDIA's starting to shake it. I guess I'll get this already. The off chance this decides to come up past me. What am I entry? I don't know where North yet. My entry would be around 90 cents.
I was thinking that. Actually, I was thinking 95. 90 is good. I'll do 90 with you.
Yeah, I gotta restart Thinkorswim, so I'm just letting you know I'm not gonna be able to signal this. It's logging in right now.
I already gave them my alert, so.
Where's QQQ? QQQ bounced?
It's literally at the low day right now. It's had a fat red candle.
It just dropped low day and ES is getting smoked also.
Alright.
Just trying to hold up for this 40-cent area here.
I'm looking at 192.50 calls again on NVIDIA. Divergence is here. I'm in.
This should be the one. If this is not it, I'd be very surprised.
Yeah, it's like this is worth it even though it's ripping. Because
I am about to hit my stop soon.
back.
We get a bounce in the market. I think market clear.
Yeah, we'll see.
I just don't want us consolidating too long here. And then NVIDIA gives up the strength it has. That's my main issue right now with this.
5 cent low is a key level. It's an actual level there.
193.05.
Yeah.
And that just
There we go.
Alright, there we go.
I'm still in. I'm still holding because Nvidia is holding up very, very well. The market's starting to bounce slightly, so that's why I'm looking to hold a little bit more here.
There's a trend at 193.60.
Very green trade. I mean, around 10% plus, I would say. So, wow.
There it goes.
There we go. Just a little bit more than I'm out.
Oh my god.
There you go. I'm out. So,
Nice.
good trade, guys. Very clean trade. Obviously missed out on more right there, but
193.63 is that trend, and it just hit it. Wow, right on the
I'm
dot.
with 2/3, no, I got a third left.
Nice.
clean entry.
Yeah.
Safe. It never had 10%. Market bouncing, and yeah, it should only help Nvidia here at this point.
There's a trend, but that trend is not that valid. It's from pre-market. We'll see if it
Nah,
breaks.
I would say these are all-time highs too. So it's
Is
like-
it? Yeah.
it is, these are all all-time highs. So it's literally just price action at this point.
All right, guys, we gave you a banger. Anything that's next? Close.
Tesla's $5 away, and then AMD's $5 away.
Also the rest there, Nor.
Nice.
3-year contract. Jeez.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Yeah.
Maki, am I getting greedy? What do you think?
Whenever
Always get the trouble with these, bro.
Maki, don't need to bro. Just play FIFA or something, bro.
never thought I'd go out with this out.
All right.
Don't even open your mouth, bro. Pause. Just go play FIFA.
At least he said pause on that one.
Yeah.
AMD starting to come back. So I feel like when AMD just starts moving,
I don't like this.
I don't like this either, Nor.
Mm-mm.
I feel like when AMD starts grabbing traction, AMD loses it, and vice versa.
I agree. That's actually how I look at it myself too.
I feel like they're picking and choosing which one to go with.
Yeah.
If AMD comes up while Nvidia's making highs, the market's making highs, I'm not taking AMD, personally. Because yesterday, we saw AMD shaking it with Nvidia not doing nothing. So, I'm gonna keep it that way when I trade this stock.
I'm about to sell half here. Just waiting for a new high, and then
I will have AMD ready in the options that both of those things pull back. But for the meantime, I will skip AMD.
all right, half just sold for me at 320 a contract. I'm gonna sell the rest here in a sec. Here we go. There it goes.
The Nvidia had that candle, then AMD has this candle, bro.
All right, sold the rest.
Yeah, I mean, no, you can switch over to AMD. I mean, I'm not trading this yet. I'm waiting for a pullback.
Fuck yeah. Made a lot on Nvidia. I also lost a lot earlier. It's alright. 240 calls, I'm guessing.
That's what I'm doing, 240s. I ain't fucking with it now.
Alright. Oh wow, we're right there, huh? I honestly thought Nvidia was the best possible trade we could have taken, and I wanted to hold to 195, but I got damn near close to my entry. I'm about to take this 240 call soon here at 71 cents on AMD. I'm in. Oh wow, straight to 240. Let's see if we can
Yeah, bro.
Yeah? I'm about to get out as soon as...
I sold.
Wow, okay. Thanks.
Nope. I was up 10%, lost 10%.
Disrespectful.
10%. I lost 5%. I thought I lost more because of that pullback.
Nvidia rejected right at 195.
There's a trend there though. I don't like it.
Okay, gotcha.
Bro, I got in SpyBooks and it was an instant drop straight to the target, literally 0.5 seconds.
You were honestly probably taking the video for that one.
Holy crap.
Because the video had a dollar rejection. Yeah.
Oh, did the video cause that?
It probably.
I don't think so, bro. This thing was dropping ever since. I don't know. Bro, what the hell? Is there news right now or something? There's no way. It didn't even print at any level. Almost like how a Wall Street would behave.
Based on how AMD moved yesterday, I'm still going to take this at 240 again. That would be a signal. And it honestly, around the same entry at, yeah, look, what the fuck, bro.
Shout out to the video.
Where's the video? Oh,
I got the retest right there.
yeah.
I made back the loss that I had on AMD on that. It was like 20 cents on that.
Alright, market's still dropping. Where is everything? Okay, Nvidia back above 195. AMD 239. The entry I would stick to is 239.80. It's not going to change much if it's 70, 80, whatever, but based on how it moved yesterday, that would be the only reason I would even think about this right now. 240.20 is a number that we need to get past on AMD, so that's important. It's not just 240, it's 240.20.
Why did I hold the video past 195? Because this thing's overextended. At least to me, it's overextended, so I was not willing to hold past that. Plus, 10% on a scalp like that, I'm gonna take that any day. Especially
Yeah, I made most of that AMD loss back on that. That's right.
Yeah.
Yo, where's Kunal? Kunal, what you think? Retake this at 240? Wow, market's at low of day again. Where is everything?
Kunal still in from his.
No, I know, but do you think 240 looks alright? Based on how we moved yesterday? I think there's no reason not to take this right now. I'm gonna have to. It's getting there. And that's with the market just slightly bouncing. Our biggest risk is the market taking another drop. I'm gonna take this at 80 cents. Same contracts. Nothing's changed. I need to make sure there's no other trends I need to worry about. 15-minute. Yeah, everything's Gucci. And it's like a flat top from pre-market at 240, so.
I still like this a lot more. I said it pre-market. I mentioned AMD and Nvidia at the retest. I feel like after those were really nice. I don't know if you heard when I said that this morning.
I hear you now.
I like it at 75, 80 as well.
I would go green on
You
it
got a touch.
if this works out. It's on like 50. I hate when my mornings
Just because
start
we're
like that.
retrying AMD as well doesn't mean you guys should have to either. Because I know some people, because that pullback happened really quick on the second time we tried AMD.
Where's DJI?
Second person?
I don't know. You
But,
gotta be.
yeah, you don't have to trade this. You can just watch
Why, that's about to die?
if you're too scared.
I just want to have two angles.
What's the
Just give me
score
a
on
sec.
AMD's 241.90? So
so.
Bro, my TOS keeps freezing, bro. Nah. That's disgusting.
You know what's not freezing? Interactive.
Moon's not freezing.
Frankie acts like TOS is my fucking platform. I would never do a deal with fucking Thinkorswim. They can't even get a shout out from me, bro.
The moon starts to be moving. They be pretty smooth, bro. It's just I'm just so used to charting on TOS that I still always have that open. But the charts actually, like the candles and the level 2, it moves pretty good.
Pretty smooth.
Smooth, yeah.
What was the highlight of the video today? 195 to 30.
Yeah, 30.
So I was thinking of scalping that again.
195. 195?
No, 195.20.
I don't like because it's
And he's been doing it 30. So that's why I'm like, bro, the video's been the one paying the bills today, so it's like, may as well keep scalping that until it does me wrong.
she the one acting right now.
Yeah. I like the setup on AMD, it's just, yeah, NVIDIA's just killing it today.
Yeah, I might swap over to that. See what happens. If this drops, pull it back anymore here.
I was gonna say, it's because I'm just not sure yet, George. I am thinking about it, but I'm not 100% on it yet.
It's just, I do agree with Mark that the way it was moving yesterday, bro, like, it should be, it starts to shake out all of a sudden.
No, but then you have those days like we had on Monday, where it's just stuck in these consolidations, and once like the break happens, it's not catchable. So it's like,
We'll see right here. It'll show us. News at 10, Brandon. I don't know if we've been getting any fucking news, have we? Not like that.
nah.
AMD's holding a big level here. It's a good push, start pushing right away.
Yeah, this is nice here.
This was the breakout area you bounced off of.
Yep. Fucking UNES look like they bought it fucking.
What I consider Oracle? No.
I think I know somebody that's in that.
QQQ what it is about scalp.
Oh yeah? You signaling or not?
I could see that, yeah.
I'm on with it.
Okay, QQQ puts my alert is sitting at 609.72.
That's
It's gonna be a
disgusting.
good scalp. It's showing a lot of weakness here. I want to take half the position at 85 cents. If we can get there. Is AMD close, Frankie?
No, I pulled back.
Okay. Alright, here we go. Just a little more. Yeah, it'd be the 6 templates for you guys. And of course, it gets 1 cent away from entry and bounces.
That was close to triggering your stop, your position, huh?
Yeah, 80, it was 86 or was it 87? It got to 86 and my alert was at 85.
At 95?
I guess. Or maybe I just got lucky.
Yeah. Ah, lucky.
Hmm? No, what happened? What happened?
Or coming back down.
So
Three,
you
six,
just
five.
It's right here, bro.
Is Nvidia close?
NVIDIA now, but it's starting to break a little bull flag here, possibly. We'll see if we get some momentum here. I might switch over to that. You still liking this, Frank?
The video, yeah. It is holding up pretty well.
Let me know QQQ gets close, Monty, because I still like that as well.
Alright, I sent the Nvidia levels. 194.75.
Oh, shit.
OPC is close. Acting weird.
Alright, I guess I'll get my NVIDIA stuff ready. Nick, there, I was personally gonna go for 195.20. I don't like 195 as an re-entry because we already broke that. I can see why that would be good. But I think I'm gonna play it safe and just play the whole flag on that. What in the video called? Alright, let's walk through this step by step, right? Everyone can play the 195 breakout. And it's Thursday, alright? So meaning contracts expire tomorrow. But we can't play too far out, alright? We look at the open interest, or the volume, sorry, pardon me. We see it is at 160,000. So would it make more sense to play that, or play the 197.50s that are $2.50 away that are $1?
Yeah, it's Thursday.
most definitely not the aspect of trading lots. I think these are very simple concepts, because I understood this within a week or two of trading options. So, I'm pretty slow. So, I got you, boo. It's okay to ask them, but just know, like, most of those simple questions should be asked during the lessons.
Yeah, when it's crunch time, you don't wanna sit here and be, trying to flip flop back and forth through pages and whatnot. That has happened to me, I ain't gonna lie. The other day, I forgot what trade we were in, I took the wrong contracts on accident. And it was just the one
Oh, that's,
above, oh shit, it's coming back. Yeah, just shut up.
what the hell is this price action now? Yeah, you got the, they know the alert, right, guys, 85 cents is where, you're gonna take half, and 75 cents is where I take the rest, and then I'll sell the low bid.
As Maki's looking at that, I'm looking at low of day on AMD. Because even when we have green candles here on QQQ, AMD is still getting smoked on every bid. So, taking a look at low of day here. Looking at 230 puts. We're pretty much going to enter on the same time. Oh, actually, he,
Nice.
yeah.
Yeah, you signal your, because they know my alerts.
All right. Meta is strong, bruh. I want to play that. Absolutely not, actually. I lied.
Yeah, 20 cents on the alert. Nora, or what do you have?
Nah, it's 5. It's 10 cents. Sorry. 234.10.
And Nvidia is showing some strength still. I really do like that 195.20 area with Frank. Let me know if that gets closer to 80 cents Frankie.
Yeah.
I'm saying you guys, I have an alert set if it gets close. I will have it ready. My alert's at 70 cents right now, so to tell me if it's close. Thank you, Luke.
How legit was that candle right there on AMD?
I don't think it was. I
Really?
think it's just a misprint.
Yeah, that's a misprint.
GTOS has a lot of those.
Nvidia has a lot of them right now.
Really? I don't have one.
Too.
I got 2.
I guess I haven't looked at it. Oh, yeah. You want to starts doing that, I just gotta pull a trade review.
We agreed to run up, you know,
Oh, Meta just broke 720 again. That was a hard.
I'm staying away from that today.
Yeah.
That's just reused areas, and it's not, the stroke behind it's nothing crazy.
Nvidia's fucking consolidating, bro. I might have to switch to that. Cause I don't know how fast that's gonna happen. Let's see. I don't know. That's just worrisome when Maki's looking at low day here.
What did you want it index at that 20 cents, like Frankie's saying?
Yeah, but this consolidation might take it straight to that. So I'm not planning on taking it early. I'm just don't want to miss it. That's only what 60 seconds from the break of the consolidation. That's nothing.
I think the setup on Nvidia looks much better than AMD. Well, I think that's all, I'm not gonna be a little biased because I like how well Nvidia's been moving today. I heard that AMD.
Oh yeah, we caught a sick ass play on that.
Yeah, so I might be a little biased when you say that. Because AMD does look good on like the smaller time frames with that flat bottom it has here at low today.
use finally movement.
Yep. That hits your entry.
Yeah, half size, not the full size yet. Only gonna get full in if I see fall open. The full entry alert is 75 cents. My stop is 610.25. Nasty ass bounce. Spy looks so clean, holy crap. Alright, second half is about to get triggered. We were
NVIDIA contracts gotta be moving crazy. They're so cheap. 160. I want to see what they do.
Yeah, that's some weird ass price action. I might just get it out. Because all I see is wicks and red flags.
AMD bounced and Tesla.
I'm getting out, guys. I'm not gonna wait for stock this. I saw two, but it's there. So I couldn't add the full position, right? I think I made the right decision by splitting it because they're only down like that. That was close to the full entry there.
Looks like Tesla's about to catch some momentum. Green or red in the market. Guys, I'm looking at 440 calls on Tesla. I think I'm going to take this at 433. We'll see what type of candles we get. Yeah, that's crazy. Getting ready. See what happens if this market pulls back.
PPQ is coming back 2 to 75 cents. Thank you, PPQ. Holy shit. Nice and easy. Wow. Out of PPQ. It was 1 cent away from the actual target, but I decided to sell because of what I saw.
Big sell right there.
I think it was good. Look at the level that it plotted. I didn't want to wait for that level, bro. Because of what I saw earlier.
Yeah.
Tesla, strong. Yeah, so my entry for Tesla is gonna be 432.84, and then I need 433.20 to get taken out, and then we should have no stoppage until 435. So about a $2 move I'm looking for. With about an 80-cent stop loss on Tesla. $30-minute trend at 430. Oh wow. I'm in. There goes Tesla. Oh wow. Alright, good move there. So yeah, I need this to hold above 433.20 for this to continue to look good in my eyes here. And then we're headed, or I have room up to 435 ish. So we'll see.
What is QQQ now?
A whole market's bouncing. That's annoying. All right, guys. Obviously, we got in at 432.80. Targets around 435. That doesn't mean you need to hold till 435. Wherever you feel comfortable. Obviously, you see how the market's moving today. You make decisions based on what you're comfortable with. For me, I'm going to try to at least hold till 434. New high. There it goes, 433.40. So a 50-cent move since entry there. But the market's moving insane. So it makes every trade even harder. Even if you have the A+ setup, the market could ruin it. So letting you guys know ahead of time. Right back down to 432.90. So there's a 5-minute trend and a 30-minute trend at 433.72. So that's scary, of course. What'd you say, Frankie?
The video's still stuck in consolidation. This is probably going to be the last setup I take today.
Yeah, hopefully I get to switch over in time, but by that time, if NVIDIA gets going, I'm sure Tesla will probably get going as well.
Yeah, I'll let you know anyways.
We need 433.20 to hold above. Right now, it's only been wicking there, 433.20. I've been talking about it since before the trade. We're at it again, and it's just been stuck there. Market's wicking down. That's terrible candles to have in the market. I'd rather have a regular red candle. All right, well, moment of truth. 80-cent stop loss, meaning we entered at 432.80, meaning 432 is my stop, and my target is 434. But you have a trend on 2 different time frames at 433.72, so that might be a good place to start looking to exit. Okay, like look at this on QQQ. That's so crazy. It's not fun. If it wasn't for QQQ, I think Tesla would have already done the move. Tesla doing a great job trying to hold up, but for how long can it do that for, especially with QQQ making these types of candles? You can't count on it. So my finger's on the sell button just in case we get any funny, weird candles, aggressive candles. I'm ready to get out. QQQ again, headed for low day. Tesla almost at stop, so be ready. Wow. Is this gonna hold or not? It just bounced right at 432.01. I don't know. We'll see. Very hard to tell here. Everybody knows my stop, right? Everybody knows my target. So just know that, because it could happen quick. Nvidia's far now, so I got time on that. Where's AMD? Oh my god, AMD is headed for it.
I like spies low for today.
Yeah.
So entry at 671.15.
Tesla's gonna stop me out. I'd rather do it now so that I could catch AMD. But it's just holding here for how long? AMD. Fuck. Yeah, it's over. I'm not gonna be able to catch that.
Decent drop so far. I'm looking for a little more.
George, did AMD happen officially?
No, it hasn't yet. It's at 50 cents right now.
Are you interested?
Me?
Yeah, I'm in this buy right now though. AMD's going too crazy. You know?
Fuck. Yeah, it's
I
over.
didn't catch that.
Yeah, just broke.
What's your target on Spy Monkey?
I want to see what the next candle does here. But we should see some fall. If we bounce the max, I want to see his entry. So stop the break even. We're going to stop to 671.20. Alright, we'll break even. There we go. Alright, I'm selling this.
Wow, what a play. Those two, bro.
Look at that shit, bro.
Yeah, shit. Almost made 1,000 on that.
That's fine.
Yeah.
Alright.
Spy was smooth housing, in my opinion. It didn't once. It never went red. Nah, I played today's.
He did not whiplash. I don't know what. He's watching a different stock.
Is that it? Are we done? Or you still like AMD weakness here, Nor?
I'm still looking at AMD here. See if this gets ahead of the market. I can use 233.50 as my entry now.
Oh, now it would be like, okay, what is it doing? That was a perfect sell too. Because it stalled out completely after that. Lucky.
677 years.
AMD. Fuck though, it's like a little behind.
Yeah, it is behind. But it's also a consolidation rate.
Yeah. Now it has a double bottom from pre-market as well. Down $1 only from yesterday, or overnight, I should say. I'm having a nice red day today. Yo, this is the last thing I'm trying. If this doesn't work out, I'm out of here. I'm looking at the 230 puts on AMD. I'm in. My alert never went off. I'm just taking that early entry just in case you slip through. Because if that consolidation breaks and does what it needs to do, it better not stop till 233 at least.
You got a nice entry because if it slips, it's gonna slip hard.
Yeah. There goes the fucking bounce. With consolidations, you just expect that, but it is what it is. Alright, yeah, that's gonna be my last trade. If this hits my stop here. Not trying to wait all day for this either.
This is coming down hard.
Yeah, it's dying.
It's lagging behind though, don't you?
Yeah, the level's not so cool. I can only see what happens in the break low day. Oh, still
Yeah.
here.
Because, I mean, the only way we could potentially like, that's if it's a consolidation break, but it's not. Either need it to be a consolidation break or be ahead of the market. It's doing none of those two things.
Yeah. No, but what I'm saying is like it was coming down. Either way, I don't like it to 425 at the moment. I'm probably done as well though.
If it bounces here, it will confirm it's a consolidation. Because we topped out at that 433 area twice, but we haven't seen anything from the downside yet.
I don't like any of these candles on AMD. Shit is a joke. The worst part is like a couple days ago, I don't know if you guys remember, we had AMD to the down. That was 2 days ago. Stopped me out, and then it just dropped like $3. I had puts. All right, Frankie, you done for the day?
Yeah, sir. I'll go back later if AMD starts showing momentum towards the upside.
That's a good candle here for AMD. Because the market was beating that entire time. It just looked right. Oh boy. You could tell the way it was moving.
That's so crazy. Disrespect.
Third there, Norm. Might sell everything here. Depends how we break. I might sell everything else on the break.
Actually,
That was 2 cents away from 33.
they need to let this garbage go, bro. The worst part is market's at low of day, so doesn't help at all right now. For the type of move we were trying to get on AMD, it's just like the worst place.
Inching pretty close, actually.
How close?
That 426.50. Well, I just hit my alert there. Let's see.
I saw everything there, Norm.
Nice.
I just saw $3 candle so casually, like nothing happened.
It was $3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah, one minute candle. Trent. Where's your entry?
Over 25, 30.
I like the rejection on 30 minutes. It's crazy. Alright, this is gonna be my last trade of the day. For sure. Tesla here. Above 718. If it doesn't happen, I'll happy to take my $700.
Maki, look at AMD, bro.
Yeah, I'm literally watching it.
Alright, bro. I'm about to get out right here. Shit's about to make me crash out. Right the green on QQQ. There goes everything. Tesla bounced, what, $2.50 there. AMD bounced $1.20 there, $1.30. Tesla actually has like a big time frame wedge, or a bigger time frame wedge. I think it's on the 1 hour. I gotta look. Yeah, it's on the 1 hour. So we got 13 minutes before that closes. We'll see what happens. Got smoked.
Yeah,